Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll share 5 ways how you can make money online today. This is Hustle Empire, a channel dedicated to helping people make money online and where I share the latest side hustles. I publish daily videos on this channel to help individuals like yourself in becoming online creators and earn money online. I've been doing this for 5 years and also have multiple automated YouTube channels in this niche. So please like and subscribe to get more content like this and become part of my journey. Today, having an online business is a great opportunity for financial security. If you can set it up correctly, it will give you financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom. It requires effort to reach the point where your internet business generates passive income on automation. What if you need cash immediately? What if you need to make money online immediately and don't have time to wait? In this video, I will share 5 simple methods for a beginner with no experience to make money online. Some of them will be more difficult than others. Some of these will be quite straightforward, while others will be smartphone applications that you can download and use immediately to begin earning money. Let's begin with the first method. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the first strategy I'll show you. Affiliate marketing is the easiest and quickest method to begin earning money online because you do not need your own product or service to sell. Your own website is unnecessary as well. Practically everything was designed with you in mind. You will be compensated when someone makes a purchase using your link. All you need to do is drive traffic and draw attention to the products in the offer. I have devoted the last 2 months to promoting TubeBuddy as an affiliate. As you can see, they pay recurring commissions. As long as a user continues to use TubeBuddy after signing up through my link, I continue to receive an affiliate commission. In addition, TubeBuddy is a tool for boosting views and subscriptions. Moreover, as you can see, I mentioned TubeBuddy in the description below and stated that a link to it would be included in the description box so that viewers could join using it. As you can see, I demonstrated how TubeBuddy works, and they simply needed to sign up using the URLs below and here. This is how I started to generate passive income from a single video. There are numerous methods for promoting affiliate offers. Some of these methods include Pinterest, YouTube videos, and Medium for blog posts. See my other videos for more in-depth examples of how to use these free traffic strategies to promote an affiliate offer. After viewers begin to watch your content, they may sign up through your link, resulting in affiliate marketing earnings for you. YouTube Shorts is the second method for rapidly and without experience earning money online. YouTube Shorts are presently the simplest and quickest method for absolute beginners to gain traction on YouTube. There are numerous YouTube channels where we commence from zero. We begin with 0 subscribers, 0 views, and no content whatsoever. We begin publishing YouTube Shorts and the channel explodes because YouTube is aggressively promoting YouTube Shorts in an effort to compete with TikTok. This explains why I have so many YouTube channels. Alternatively, you can monetize it with advertisements beginning on February 1st, 2023. It can also be monetized through brand partnerships and sponsorships. It can be monetized through affiliate marketing, traffic generation, and numerous other methods. And it is undoubtedly one of the simplest and quickest methods to grow a YouTube channel. Now, if you don't actually want to record those YouTube Shorts yourself, and you don't want to expose your face to the camera, you can outsource YouTube Shorts creation on freelancing platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr. I'm creating a program soon on how to create an automated system with faceless channels. It's literally the easiest way that you can start getting views and start growing fast as a complete beginner. Method number 3. To make money online fast as a complete beginner with no previous experience is going to be to use this app called Volutik. Volutik is not one of the best ways to make money online. It's definitely not going to make you any decent amount of money. It's going to make you only a couple of dollars, but you're literally being paid to read emails. And the reason I've included Volutik is because it's so easy to make money with it. You literally just open up emails. You don't actually have to read them. You just click on the email, you open it up. You don't actually have to read it. And the reason I've included this is because for the withdrawal, the minimum payout is only 20 cents, meaning 20 cents in order to withdraw your money. So that's going to be pretty fast. Once you get to 20 cents, you can instantly withdraw your money and spend it on whatever you want. If you get to a couple of dollars, you can instantly withdraw that. Unlike other make money online apps that tell you that you need to have $50 or $100 in your account before you can actually withdraw your money, which is ridiculous. That's why I've included this one as a quick way to start making money online. You can just sign up for free and enter your email address. Just don't enter your email address where you don't want to receive spam emails because they will be spamming you for a very long time. What I would do is I would create a brand new email account, whether it's a Gmail or Yahoo or whatever you use, and then connect that email account and then receive email over there and open up email over there instead of your actual primary email because you don't want to get overflooded with the spammy emails. The fourth method is selling social media accounts online. Usually, prior experience would be required for this. This also applies if you have unused social media accounts that you can sell immediately and earn money rapidly from. You can use these two distinct platforms, which I will describe in a moment. The first platform is Social Tradia. Individuals are selling their Instagram profiles for up to $2,500, $6,000, and $20,000 further down the page, depending on the number of followers they have. If you have an inactive Instagram page or an old Instagram account with 3,000 plus followers, you can sell it for $100 to $200 and receive payment relatively rapidly. 2Fame is an alternative platform for accomplishing the same goals. The 2Fame marketplace allows online creators to buy, sell, and trade various social network accounts and gaming accounts. If you've played certain games in the past and have profiles for those games, you can now sell your accounts on 2Fame marketplace. Alternatively, if you have social media accounts such as Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, you can come here to sell them for cash and be paid rather rapidly. This will be the initial option available. However, what occurs if you truly have nothing? You have no social media followers, your own website, your own product, a service you can offer, or anything of the sort. Method number 5 to make quick money online as a complete beginner is going to be to use CPA marketing. Now, CPA marketing is very similar to affiliate marketing, but it might be even easier for complete beginners because with affiliate marketing, people actually need to buy something from you in order for you to earn an affiliate commission. But with CPA marketing, because it stands for cost per action, people don't need to actually buy anything. They don't need to spend any money. They can literally just submit their email address in most of the cases, and you're being paid for it. You can get paid $1 or $2 per email address that you collect, which obviously makes it a lot easier. And if you go to CPA Grip, which is one of the biggest CPA networks out there, you can sign up for free, and you can find offers that actually incentivize people to submit their email addresses, because they are like giveaways. If you go to Offer Tools and you go to My Offers and you select the US, you can see that you will be able to find different offers where people can just submit their email addresses. As you can see, email submission for a chance to win something. In this case, they can win a $750 PayPal gift card, and you will be paid $2 per email collected. You can just grab your referral link, and if you don't know where to promote it and you don't have the traffic source, you're a complete beginner. You can just go to Propeller Ads Network and you can get traffic over there. You can just start a campaign over here, click on Create a Campaign, and then just set up a push notification campaign to start targeting that URL, that referral link that you've grabbed from CPA Grip. So guys, we have reached the end of this video. Please like and subscribe if you want more content like this in the future. See you in the next video.